Yo, what's up everybody? So the last video we did, I believe it was a transmission failure. Oh, my lens is dirty. Alright, yeah, so it was a transmission that messed up, or not messed up, but did the whole little diagnosis thing going on. So I brought it to my girlfriend's house again. And I already have it jacked up, already loosened the axle nuts, loosened the wheels. I'm gonna just go ahead and drop it today and then open it up. But yeah, so I'm not gonna record the whole dropping process or like how I'm gonna take everything off, just because pretty sure you guys remember how I did it with my brothers, and there's plenty of people who have done it already. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick time lapse myself taking it off. That way we could open it up and see what happened, because it drove here, but yeah, it's still grinded a fit, like a lower pin. I don't know, we're gonna see right now. But yeah, I'm putting you guys on time lapse on tripod and just get to work.
Oh shit, dude did it again.
Alright guys, so on time lapse I'm guessing it didn't look all that crazy, but I already got most of everything disconnected. I took out one bolt from the back by accident, so I had to take out my engine harness, but easy connection. Took out the starter wire from here to here, that I have nothing affecting the battery. Just unplugged my VSS right here. From there, starter's out, all the bolts from the T-bracket are loose, disconnected my cable. The ground's disconnected. This little linkage for the traction bar's out. And yeah, I took out the axles. You can usually pop out, but I took out the whole half shaft to make it easier, so I don't have to be struggling with it like being in the way. And yeah, I think we should be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to drop it on my own right now. I'm gonna get the jack, lift it up, just the motor mounts, and yeah, see how it goes. Okay, let's go. So that bolt's off, that bolt's off. Alright, let's give this a motherfucking shot. It should become loose already, because it came off pretty easier now once I took out some of the bolts. So of course. Not the strongest person out here, so. Oh, okay. What the shit? There we go. Success. Let's get it. There she blows. Woo. Looks like we're fully disconnected, so let's try to lower it down a little bit. Whoa. Hell yeah. Got a little leakage, but we got it going. It took about an hour to do it all, but she's off. Hell yeah. How's the clutch? Clutch feels good, but dude, that's damn. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll take this off. I'm gonna take the pressure plate off just to make sure. I mean, I doubt it's a clutch issue, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Charge it right there. But I'm gonna pull the trans out, lay it on the table right there, open that thing up. I may have to get a new battery soon, but so put the tranny on the table. Got the clutch out. Like I said, I knew the clutch wasn't the problem. This thing is like brand new. You guys can see it has a hell of life still. Pressure plate solid. I mean, has some marks on it, but just the clutch material, springs, everything intact. But what I was talking about was the flywheel. This is what I maybe thought was a problem. So you guys can see, let's see, okay, nothing's loose, but look how much material is left in that thing. Close to none. I don't know if you guys can see, how good you guys can see that, but this is the outer lip. It's like, so it's still good, but I don't know, man, that thing's very thin. Like, you should at least see something coming out of that. So the machining wasn't done wrong, cause it's still super smooth, it's clean. Pilot bearing's still good. It's not loose or anything, but I don't know. I was just thinking maybe the clutch material maybe worn down a lot to a point where like once it got higher speeds, maybe this was like staying engaged and wasn't disengaging on the way. I don't know, but like either way, I'm gonna go ahead and open this transmission up, look into it, see if we don't find any broken pieces or bent pieces. Okay, so got the transmission on the table. I'm probably gonna put it in another time lapse while I open it up. Show you guys how it looks on the inside once I'm done. Let's get it.
Oh shit. Dude did it again.
Okay, so we got everything out. We'll go ahead and see if I can pry it open now. Wish I didn't have a hammer. Wish I had a mallet, but we use what we got, right? I'm gonna just try to lightly tap it. She's coming. She's coming. Oh wow. freaking clip snapped back in. I was like, why is it not going? Could have broke the damn bearing. There we go. Alright, so far the only major thing I'm seeing right now is little, oh no, never mind. It's like little seeds from something. I think I had it outside the porch of my house. Fucking bird seed got in there. I don't think that does it any good. But I don't know, guys. I mean, I'm not really seeing anything out of the ordinary. Synchros. Shift selector. It has play, but I mean, I'm feeling that's normal. That's in all the way. Housing isn't loose. Magnet isn't even like all that caked up either. Take it out right now, but I know I've heard that the common problem can be this sometimes, like the little when it goes in, but it's popping out of gear. So it's doing it. See, it's first. This one is fine. It's doing it in this one right here. So let me see if I can get this one popped out of gear real quick. Yeah, I'm not sure. I just spun the whole diff around, see if I see any messed up gears. But I mean, everything looks pretty damn good. Like I said, I replaced all the bearing. Oh wait, what the fuck? Why does that bearing look like that? Oh fuck. What the fuck just happened? Yo, what? Oh shit. What the fuck? Okay, never mind. Something's definitely fucking wrong. I don't know how, but it looks like this got over tightened. Cause you guys even see the bottom of the race. Look, it's cracked. I'm gonna go ahead and put the input shafts off. No, that's the counter shaft. We'll go ahead and pull off the counter shaft and see what the fuck's going on. Cause I think I just might have found a problem. That's the shaft that's causing it on. Before I pulled it off, I was just looking at it because I was confused on what happened. And what I'm noticing in the back, it sheared this thing off like bad. So I was like, what the fuck? And I'm thinking that this, when I installed it, I don't know. I don't think I might have installed this, the bottom race, this one correctly. And I maybe off-centered it, so then it pried it down, so then the bearing did it. I'm guessing this spun freely. I don't know, man, because the motherfucker's riding on that shit. Look, like it has no point of like, fuck. Hopefully, damn. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to order new bearings and everything, but yeah, let's go ahead and take everything out and see the damage. Well, I'm surprised I even made it home. Holy fuck. Probably even made it here. Shit. Okay, so one thing for sure though, I'm gonna get a new flywheel because I don't trust that thing. And might have to order new bearings for the counter shaft and this shit. But live and you learn. Live and you learn. Okay, so I finally got the input shaft out. I was trying to see if there's anything else that looked pretty damaged, but the fork itself looks good. Just need to clean it up. I was thinking maybe I didn't add enough wash at the bottom, but no. The coned one is in there. You can see it has a slight, like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like dipped how it's supposed to be, and the one right under it. Bottom bearing doesn't look like it's gonna fucking explode, so that's good. Shit, I might take out the input counter shaft just to be safe, but this one never gave me no problems from 1 to 2nd, because this is just timed by the bolt, so if something else was bad, but might just take that apart just to be on the safe side. And then right now took apart all the gears from the counter shaft, I mean input shaft. God damn it. Oh yeah, that was the input shaft, my bad. Yeah, so I took off the input shaft, trying to see if any of the areas look scored, things like that. I mean, there's some slight scratch right here. Hopefully I don't need to get an input shaft. Probably gonna get a caliper and measure everything out, make sure all the surfaces are within spec, or just see if they all match up at least, because feeling wise I don't feel no scoredness, so hopefully the input shaft didn't take no damage. As for the gears, should have been 1, 2, so this should be 3rd gear right here. I mean 3rd gear looks good. I don't see no signs of damage. Bearing looks great, fits in there snug. 3rd gear synchro sleeve. Check out the synchro sleeve, because 3rd gear, remember, you guys would jolt. So I mean, it looks good. Yeah, look like brand fucking new, bro. I was tripping, but hey. God damn it. I'll leave that up for now. I'll leave it here to the side. So then it's gonna be the 3rd gear to 4th gear synchro. Oh, yep. I see some shit. The hub got some damage. It got scored by the actual the synchro, I forgot what the fuck this is called, but the inner eraser here where the seat is at for the sleeve, the fucking dog teeth, not sure here, front and back. Look, so like it fits good, but I don't know if there's supposed to be something in here. It wasn't there when I took it off, because prior to me taking it apart it worked fine, but I wanted to rebuild it so it wouldn't give me problems, and what you know, it gave me problems. So this one was 4th gear right here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this one's 4th. Yeah, it looks like everything was just really tight against each other. What I'm thinking happened was, since everything was like so pressed down, if that makes sense. So 3rd gear's on the bottom, 4th is on top, 5th is down, which is like this. Well, that's the bearing. Sleeve. And this right here, what I have in my hand, is what this is: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. This is 5th gear right here. So on 3rd and 5th gear, it would kick, but wouldn't pop out. So as I'm thinking all the compression was going down, it would kick out because it was going way too far in, pushing it out. And then on reverse or 4th gear, reverse, I didn't get high enough because I was just reversing out. But with 4th gear, what I think happened was, or what was happening was, since there was so much pressure going down on the gear, anytime it would go into gear, it wouldn't grind it. But since there was so much pressure going down, the actual sleeve was being pushed against this outer hub, therefore making it pop out. Because that's how everything was. That's how, if you look at, where is it at? This shit. you can see it's like tapered. That shit's supposed to be completely flat. And then the outer race for the fucking, or the reverse, that's on that one right there. Reverse gear, the fucking synchro stuck to the actual like race thing. So that's what I'm guessing got pushed down. So everything else got pushed down with it. And that's what I think exactly was happening. Everything was being pressed so much, all the gears that were going upward got pushed out. Reverse didn't, because I just didn't have enough speed, I guess, to push out. But with fourth gear, it would push out. And then third and fifth, since they were shifting downward, it was pushing it too far into the gear and would make it move up. That's why first and second, nothing ever happened, because that's in a whole different shaft, which this shaft's good. Should be. So, fuck. I'm about to check the condition of all of these. I have some parts at home, but I gotta drive home, do all that stuff. But at least I found the problem, but it seems pretty bad. But yeah, I'm gonna see how much everything comes out to, because I do have spare parts at home as long as the gearing matches up. I know I have a B16 gear set, hopefully. Oh, I do actually. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go check it out. I have some at home, but I think that's gonna cut it for this video. Pretty short, depending how long it is. I don't know how long I've been recording for, but yeah, hatch is gonna be down for a little minute till I find some parts to put it back together. So luckily it's better than a blown motor, but I guess it's a blown transmission. That shit fucking grenaded, that's for sure. But yeah, anyways, that's gonna do it for today's video, most likely, because to go home and do all that stuff, it's gonna have to be hella late. Like I said, I still have to go check out another car, most likely. If not, I'll probably come back, depending. And I'll leave it just like that. But yeah, that's probably gonna do it for today's video. I'm just going to clean up, get all stuff covered up, make sure no animals go near it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Peace out.